Good morning, everybody. A lot of you guys enjoy this. A lot of you guys really say that you always forget to add stuff to Savings Star. So every single week or every time I see a really good deal on Savings Star, I add the deals. So the new deals that they got is the PRX crystals. So we're going to add that. I'm doing this through my camera, me adding it. We got Right Guard and Dial. I know there's some great deals with Dial because we got some awesome coupons. We got Dial, more Schwarzkopf hair products. Here we got Sparkle and Angel Soft, so I'm going to add both of those. Pierogies and then Stainmaster. I think it's on Checkout 51, but I'm going to add it anyways. Here's some other deals. I feel like there's not as much deals as there has been in the past. I don't know why, but I mean, this stuff just sits in here all month long. Clorox, I'm not adding those because I have them on Checkout 51 and it's either one or the other. But, yeah, it's kind of disappointing. I mean, I feel like Checkout 51 is a little bit of a better app than Savings Star. But I wanted to share with you guys what I got. You guys might have different things too, but make sure you guys add those so you can get some easy stuff. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.